Today we'll guide you through the simple steps to assemble Osaki Platinum 4D Horizon Pro. Start by lowering the footrest to its original position, which will prepare the chair for assembly. Next, zip up both sides of the seat pad to secure it in place. Once that's done, remove the back cover by unscrewing it carefully and keeping the screws in a safe spot. Unscrew the screws inside the back cover. Now align the armrests with the chair body. And secure them using the screws provided in the remote box. Repeat the same process for the other armrest. After attaching the armrests, connect the air hoses to their matching nozzles, making sure each one is properly secured. Find the screws in the touchscreen remote box and securely fasten the leg rest in place. Then zip the seat and leg panels together, using the zipper between them to ensure a tight fit. With that complete, move on to the headrest and back panel. Zip the headrest. Tighten the screws inside the back cover. And align the back panel before fastening it firmly into place, making sure everything is properly positioned. Finally, tighten all screws on the back panel and check that nothing is loose. For the last step, connect the touchscreen remote to the chair by matching the cable symbols and place the remote securely on the holder. That's it, your chair is now fully assembled. Be sure to double-check that everything is secure, and if you have any questions, refer to the manual. Thank you.